At the end of the video, we're gonna tell you about our next big plans. But from now on, I'm gonna take basically all of those boxes, those are our remains, put them in this room because I need tools and also other stuff, which is on the far side of those cardboard boxes. Let's go. Okay, so our little scavenger hunt was semi-successful. So I wanted to get this, a cooler, probably for cold beverages, and a proper helmet. And of course, this fella, but unfortunately without the whiskers. There's another compartment upstairs. And there's our other stuff. Let's see if we find something here. I highly doubt it, but let's see. And there are a lot of spider webs up here. So as expected, I still didn't find the whiskers, but I found some tools, which I'm gonna take onto the trip. All sorts of wrenches, screwdrivers, a hammer, everything that might be handy somehow. Beautiful assortment here of tools. Mechaniker Steckschlüsselsatz. Very nice. A saw, power drill. So let's get the stuff in the van. And those cardboard boxes, I'm gonna leave them alone again. And one thing, parents-in-law, thank you very much that we can store our stuff basically our whole life here in this building. You're the best. And try not to fall down the stairs. Damn it. This is what happens when you should actually go multiple times. Honey, I found it.
How long did it take?
Forever. One bad news, the whiskers aren't in there. You put them somewhere else and I have no godly idea where they should be. So we get new ones or you steal some from your mom. I bet she has some spare ones. It's a box, the next box. This goes on here. Let's unpack it. Let's see what it is. It's a silicone mold for our Omnia baking oven. Maddy!
What?
I have something for you.
Yeah! Now I can bake a cake, I can make a cake.
Let's go for that. Spannschienensatz. This is how we will mount our ladder. This is how we're gonna put it on the van. So I should loosen this screw, but this doesn't really work. But maybe I can pull. What the hell, man? Ah, oh, there you go. This should do it. So we have it here, this hole in. And then I basically only needed to get that loose first to change the position of this holder and then mount it here and fix this one. So now it should be okay. And the same thing over there with this one. And there we have it. The next step in the completion of the roof deck. Preparation for the ladder. I like.
Okay, I am going to open some packages. So we have a mag light, a lot of lumen. Fulfills two purposes. One, light. Second, self-defense. And then we have, I already opened it. Lichterkette! For the back side, we already have one on the right. Now we have a second one on the left, the same. So it looks nicer. We have a hook, so that's going to be it. And then they sent black, but inside, and it's already opened. That's also fun. Wrong color, and it's absolutely not what I ordered. So let's put it back. And then we have another trash bag holder. And last but not least, tea! Yay! So I can enjoy my tea day and night. Always.
Alright, here we go again. Since today is fixing day, yeah, We're gonna make everything ready, the van, the Vespa, everything, that we are satisfied to go on, to embark on this mission, the next chapter in our world traveling journey, going to. And for that reason I'm gonna fix the Vespa right now. And somebody tried to fix it before. Here we have a crack and somebody just put duct tape over it and there are a lot of remains. What we came across is this orange cleaner, orange oil cleaner, made in Germany. It's the best! And this is really good to remove old glue remains. The same applies to those here, yeah, from the stickers on the van. We did it here. This stuff, really nice. We're gonna link it below. I'm gonna show you. Guys, did you see that? Incredible! In under 5 minutes. Yeah! Welcome back to the construction site. Today's job is to finish the roof deck, yeah, to build the back support. And for that reason, I prepared the wood. And I'm gonna cut it into 6 pieces, small pieces of 40 centimeters each. There we have them. All 6 of them. Now it's time to get the brush out. And as this last time, we're taking this stuff here, which was pretty good, so let's do that. Let's go. It is done. Now that they are semi-dried, we are putting those on there. That was one side. Very nice. I love it. Hey dear subscriber of this newly created van life channel, we finally decided on a ladder, and it's actually the original ladder, the super expensive one, but we got a very good deal on eBay. Now the only thing is the ladder is originally for the left side because it has a bend for the license plate.
But we don't want to put it on the left side. The only door we can move freely will be the right one, so we need a ladder for the right one. The right one is not available on the internet, so we got the left one, and now we realized this one is too high.
So it's gonna look like this somehow, and yeah, as you can see, it's higher than our top part of the van, and we don't like that, right Maddy?
No.
So we have to cut it somehow, and now we have to try to figure it out. And on top of that, this bulky kind of thing needs to go as well. So Mrs. Engineer there is going to figure something out now. And as again, you need to customize everything. So Engineer, tell us the plan.
The engineer has spoken. So this one we're going to get rid of, as we planned, because we don't like this at all. And these ones, these angles, we would put here. The whole ladder goes down. It's a really nice ladder for 100 bucks.
Original price?
500. I think it's okay if we make it perfect for exactly that van, and we will never detach it ever again.
Let's go!
Now we need to get this one off, to get these ones off, and then these ones go there.
Next part is done. This part on the license plate holder is history. And now we have a clean, straight ladder. Right, Maddy?
Will look beautiful at the end.
Yeah. Putting those back on. May we present to you our finished product. German engineering at its best. We converted a ladder for the left side of the van to a ladder for the right side of the van. We shortened it here, we changed this, we drilled holes, attached the mounting points here and there. Here we also had to drill, and it looks like out of the factory. Yeah!
Not 100% out of the factory, but...
Not 100%.
But anyway.
Now we're gonna attach it to the van, and then we have our ladder, and the project roof deck is finally finished. We're gonna show you. So make sure to stay until the end of the video to see how we solved the back supports. But now we're gonna attach the ladder. Hopefully it works. So let's go. Time lapse again.
Ladder. Woohoo!
Yeah, the ladder built by your favorite YouTubers. There you go. And last step, those plastic things. And now ladder test. Yeah. Woo. I like it very much.
It's the best!
We're so happy about that. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Do you like our leather solution? Modifying the original one? The two things that bothered us the most was this ugly bubblish kind of thing that is for the license plate, and the fact that the leather was 4 inches higher than the car. Like this now. I really like it, man. We're ready to go! This is our Vespa hiding under the blanket. And this is the Vespa rack. We're gonna put the Vespa on the rack. Let's go. And this is our Vespa solution. And the really nice thing is that we can slide it to the side so we can access the right door and can climb up here. Great product. We also got it used from eBay. Great deal. We saved a lot of money. Looking good. Ready to go, huh? Almost ready. So after a couple of weeks here in Germany, visiting friends and dealing with some red tape stuff, we are finally ready to embark on this next great journey, which takes us with Goldie, that's the van, all the way from Germany through Eastern Europe to Istanbul. That's right, we're gonna go to the Asian continent with our van. That's the plan. Today we're leaving, we're off to this great journey, and it's very windy out, so it was great weeks here, back home in good old Germany, but now it's time to move on. Let's go! So Maddy and me enjoying our roof deck to the fullest.
We were a child, it was like a thing in, I don't know, maybe in every country, that you look out of the window and then you wave to everybody you see and hope someone is waving back.
The cops, they're gonna arrest us here for harassing the traffic. Madeline's first time driving the van on the German Autobahn.
Yes, it's the best. It's a very nice clutch, very German, even though it's Italian. It's the second best. Sorry, too much coffee.
Felix, hello. Come here, hello. Yo. 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 Oh.
Oh. Ah, he makes me happy.